If only everyone was like us, life would be so much easier. Business would be better. But guess what? We meet people in business and in life, they've got different ideas. They've got different desires. Why aren't they conforming with what we want? Often we are not sympathetic to what they want because we're so focused on what we want. We are selfish. We are narrow-minded. We are focused on ourselves. So if you want to get on with people, stop doing that. Stop doing that. Appreciate that the world is a varied place and there are many possibilities in life. And people come from a broad range of experiences, many different countries, education systems, background, upbringing. It's incredibly varied. And in that variety, there's a lot of real richness. There's a lot of wealth of experience and insight in there. See it as a positive. So when people come with a different thought or a different way of doing something, be sympathetic to their idea. Be sympathetic to what they want to do, rather than just pulverizing them and pushing them along to do what you want to do. If you want to get cooperation, this is a much better pathway.